Alright guys, a little Sunday cook here. I got a nice ribeye steak here. I got some onions and green peppers and some bacon fat. So I'm gonna put the bacon fat in the pan and fry these green peppers and onions up, and they're gonna go on top of the steak after I'm done cooking it. I'll probably broil the steak. I usually use mushroom and onions, but I don't have any onions. I don't have any mushrooms, so I'll use the green peppers. And what I did on the potato is, I got a baked potato here. I put it in a microwave for 5 minutes. Wrap it in little foggy here. I wrap it in wax paper and I punch a couple of holes in it. Cook it for 5 minutes till it's nice and soft. Ready to go. The potato's ready to go. You could bake it, but I do the microwave 5-6 minutes. And wax paper. It steams right in there. It's good. Throw some butter on that. We'll try to get you some shots here as we go. Oh, real working man cook, mama. Put the fan on. Get some bacon fat. That's what I saved the bacon fat for. Cast iron's the best to cook in, but you can do whatever you want. You want to use stainless steel or whatever you want to use. Onions going in. Green peppers going in. And just let these rock and roll for a while until they become translucent. And we'll throw the steak in. Now I could put the steak right in this. I could broil it right in. I could do the steak right in this pan if I wanted, or I could broil it. I don't know yet. We'll see. Black pepper. Pink salt. Herbs. Kind of cook that till it's translucent, like my vegetables. Alright, the best way to cook the steak, I found the best way to cook the steak is, that's a nice big piece of meat there. This is what I like to do. Just to put the meat on there and my steak seasoning right here. This is the stuff I like to use. Put it on there, give it a nice coating. To hit the black pepper. And the salt. Salt and pepper. you want to get it till the onions are translucent. In the meantime, we'll start the steak. Now what the broil is, that's that right there. Once that kicks in, we'll throw the steak right in this top tray and we'll cook it. And then we'll flip it over and give it the chooch, mama. Give it the old chooch, mama. Like I said, on a baked potato, I just wrapped it in wax paper, and I cooked it for 6 minutes in the microwave, and it's soft. It's ready to go. Ready to put some butter on it. Potato's done. That's how I do the potato, right in the microwave. Boom, done. Put that right in there and close the door until it gets, keep an eye on it, until it gets cooked, and we'll give it the old flipperoo, mama. Oh yeah, next level. Gonna be next level, y'all. Nothing like cooking in the cast iron pan. If I had some beef gravy, that would be good, but I don't have any, so use what I got. And it's looking pretty good right there. Like I said, mushrooms and onions would have been the way to go, but I don't have any mushrooms, so we'll use green peppers. It's fine. Sometimes you have to compromise. Alright guys, I got the baked potato all there, and onions and green peppers ready to rock and roll. Got room for my steak. And let it cook a little bit longer. Let it cook a little bit longer, then we'll give it the old flipperoo. That's the best way to cook steak in a broiler. Oh yeah, gonna be next level yumminess, y'all. A little bit longer. Smell the goodness. Smell the goodness. Take it out and we'll let it rest. Take it out and we'll let it rest. Yum! even want to fit in the plate, mama. We'll let it rest for a bit and we'll cut into it and we'll see what it's like. Gotta let it rest. Alright guys, let's see how it came out. Just right medium. Steak, onions, and green peppers. Yum! Tater and butter. Now that's a good meal right there. Done medium. Good eating right there, mama. You want a plate? You want a plate? Alright guys, you know where I'm going with this plate. Oh yeah. How a real working man cook series.